In the bustling city of New Haven, there lived a young woman named Emily. She possessed a unique gift, the ability to inspire and motivate people through her stories. Emily's creativity knew no bounds, and her stories had the power to bring hope and positivity to even the most despairing hearts. One day, Emily received an invitation to speak at the renowned International Conference of Motivational Speakers. The invitation came as a surprise, but she knew it was an opportunity she couldn't pass up. Excitement and nerves swirled within her as she prepared to deliver a speech that would leave a lasting impact on the audience. On the day of the conference, the atmosphere was electric. Speakers from around the world had gathered, each with their own unique stories and experiences to share. Emily was scheduled as the closing speaker, giving her ample time to absorb the diverse wisdom offered by the other presenters. As she listened to each speaker, Emily marveled at the way their words sparked courage and determination in their listeners. It was not just the message that had an effect, but the vibrant creativity woven into their stories. She realized that to truly inspire, she needed to elevate her storytelling skills to new heights. Finally, the moment came for Emily to take the stage. The crowd was eagerly awaiting her words, hungry for the motivation she had become known for. Emily took a deep breath and began her tale. She painted a vivid picture of a young girl named Lily, who lived in a small, isolated village. Lily, burdened by her own self-doubts and the limitations placed on her by societal norms, felt she would never be able to achieve her dreams. But one day, she stumbled upon an old journal in the attic of her house. The journal was filled with stories of ordinary people who defied expectations and achieved extraordinary things. Each page ignited a spark within Lily, inspiring her to embrace her potential and strive to make a difference in the world. She realized that limitations were merely illusions she had imposed upon herself. Emily's storytelling prowess enchanted the audience. Her words resonated deep within their souls, kindling the fire of motivation and igniting their own creativity. She spoke of battles fought, dreams conquered, and the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. As Emily concluded her story, she left the audience with a profound message. In every one of us lies the power to dream, to create, and to inspire. It is only through breaking free from the shackles of self-doubt that we can unleash our full potential and make a positive impact on the world. The silence that followed was broken by thunderous applause and tears of inspiration. People flooded towards Emily, eager to express their gratitude and share the profound impact her words had made on them. The experience left Emily humbled, knowing she had fulfilled her purpose of motivating and inspiring others. From that day forward, Emily's reputation as a motivational speaker skyrocketed. She continued to captivate audiences with her boundless creativity, weaving colorful stories that touched the hearts and minds of all who were fortunate enough to hear them. Through her stories, she encouraged people to chase their dreams relentlessly and embrace their unique talents. Emily's journey proved that the power of storytelling, when combined with creativity and a genuine desire to inspire, had the ability to transform lives. Her story became a legend, passed down from generation to generation, empowering countless individuals to believe in themselves and reach for the stars. So, my friend, let this tale serve as a reminder that within you lies the potential to inspire. And through your own unique creativity, you have the power to ignite positive change in the world. Embrace your inner storyteller and unleash the magic that lies within.